Here's Tommy. Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Today I'm gonna do another unboxing, another Kickstarter unboxing. I got here the Divoom Pixoo mats. You'll see what it is. Let's get to it. Okay, here we go. Right here in the box, we have the Pixoo mats. Also, we also have the car mount accessory. Okay, let's open this up. Let's see if there's anything. No, nothing else in the box. Okay, okay, open it like this. Nice box. Okay. Let's pull it out. A lot of wrapping. A lot of wrapping. Nice stickers also. Good. Love stickers. This must be the power supply. Okay. Oh, it's a simple cable. I thought it was gonna have to be like a full-on power supply or something like that. Oh, but it's a really good looking USB A to C cable. Wow. Cord like. Looks pretty good, pretty heavy, and it's really long. Okay, let's open this one up. And it's really good. Let's see if it turns on. Where do we turn it on? Where? Looks like I'm gonna have to read the instructions. Oh, here it is. It's on the side. There we go. Nice looking. 470115. This must be to pair it to the cell phone. Let's do that. Okay, so we got it connected now. Let's see what we can do here. You can see the hours. You can also, let's remove the plastic. The new plastic. I love that sound. Is there another plastic? No. I hope it isn't like the we're gonna actually let it be. Let's take it off. Okay. We can see the hour. We can change it type how you see it. Another clock, another clock, another clock. We can also change the brightness with the app. Okay, let's lower it down a bit. It's really bright right now. Okay. We can also have animations. This one. Or like this one. Halloween themed, COVID-19. Let's do another one. ET themed. Let's change it up. It's just crazy. I really like it a lot. Let's open this up to see what's in here. Let's put this one to the side. Open this one. More cables. Okay, got car lighter extender. Car lighter extender? I gotta say, I've never seen anything like this. This is like a 9 to 10 feet extender. Car lighter USB. Nice. Oh, so you can put it on your windshield, on your on the back on your car, on the side window, wherever you want to put it. Oh, you got two. You can put two. Nice. Awesome. And oh, here's the other part. It also comes with a stand. Just put over here. It just stands. That's it. Nothing else to do. Nice. This is a really, really good and complete package. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. And hit the notification bell so you can get notified of my next video. Thanks for watching. Take care, everyone. Hahaha, the Joker. Nice one. And if you're in your car, somebody does something to you, you can just do this.